In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot Desktop to open apps. This is a quick and practical workflow that makes it easy to launch the Microsoft 365 apps you need directly from Copilot. If you're switching between tasks and want a faster way to get into your tools, this is a simple feature worth knowing. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot Desktop and look for the Apps and More option. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where Copilot gives you access to additional tools and connected Microsoft apps, so it's a useful place to become familiar with if you plan to work across multiple programs. Once that menu opens, select any app you want to open. In this example, the app being chosen is Word. The main idea here is that you can browse the available options and pick the app that matches the task you're trying to do. If you're writing a document, Word is the obvious choice, and Copilot helps you get there quickly. After selecting it, click on Word to open it. This should launch Word for you, allowing you to move straight into creating or editing a document. If the app opens in a new window or tab, that's normal, so just give it a moment to load fully before continuing. Next, return to Copilot and click on Apps and More again. This repeated step is helpful because it shows that you can use the same menu over and over whenever you want to open another Microsoft app. You're not limited to doing this once. This time, click on Excel. That will open Excel so you can start working with spreadsheets, data, budgets, or anything else you need. It's a very similar process, and once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. After that, go back one more time and click on Apps and More again. Reopening the menu is the key part of this workflow, especially if you regularly jump between different tools during the day. Finally, click on PowerPoint. This opens PowerPoint where you can begin building or editing presentations. At this point, you've seen the same method used to open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which makes the overall process very easy to remember. And that's all there is to it. Open Apps and More, choose the app you want, and repeat whenever needed. If you use Microsoft Copilot Desktop often, this can save you time and keep your workflow smooth and organized.